While Erin and I have been working on the windows, Frit's been working on the frame for the box for the Murphy bed. And as you can see, pocket hole, it's all the way around. This will hold the mattress. We'll flip it up, we get some hinges. Underneath this will be the desk, but we had to start out someplace, and the box is a good place to start. So we'll get into that as we go. So while Erin and I are plugging up window holes, Fritz has been working on the other side of the narrow bed, and he made Alabama. So we've got, working on this, we get this installed. The next step is going to be putting in a desk with a shelf in the back for the Murphy bed to go up onto. Storage will get built under here. This is the desk area, so a lot of surface for materials, but an actual working area. And then down here we got a little surprise. Well, we got the basic components here for the Murphy bed, and not anchored in place yet. We're waiting to get a trim router. I want to round off some edges, but the way this is going to work is it'll fold up, revealing a desk, and sleepy time, it can come down. And that was a drop test. Okay, the next step in the process for the Murphy bed is we're going to get it installed. And Fritz has got the routed out the inset for the hinge, and we're going to take this, once you get this in, over and get it set up on the shelf so we can get it screwed on the other side, and then we'll be done with this one and we can move on. So this is what the Murphy bed looks like installed, and let me show you how this goes up. I'll just set you guys down over here. And this can very easily fold up against the wall. We're going to put in either corner a chain and a hook. And one of the thoughts was to put an eye bolt, a couple of them. So like right now there's no light coming through, but if we made it so that it could be out like this, a little bit of light, some breeze, or maybe even as far down as this, be able to let some light through. Those hot days you want some breeze, but still have access to the desk. But there you go. That's our version of a Murphy bed, and with a desk underneath. So I don't know about you all, we're having way too much fun. Oh yeah. See you next time.